the day. I got silver.
Roovish.
Another full tap.
Let's see what this is. 95, 7, 8 inches. Very good, clear signal. I come this way, it drops down in the top 80s. Could be a weedy. It's right there. That's pretty nice. Could be a silver. I'm gonna say probably a weedy. Right in the bush. This one's hard there, like a brick. What is that? Right there on top. We got a token? Oh, I think we got a token. Oh, it's one of those, what do they call them? I found a ton of these things back in the south, southern Illinois. Got the, I think they call them auto typer. Kids used to get them at the fair. You can punch your name or initials or whatever into the machine and it'll put it on the token for you. That's cool. I hope it's got the name of somebody from the town on here. I think these usually date to like the 40s, 50s. Some of them are from the 30s even, I think. That's pretty cool. Let's see what that says. Get it cleaned up here in a little bit. Back out here, our secret spot. Chase just pulled a V. Haven't even been here for 5 minutes yet. It's one of the first targets.
Like a 1900.
1900 even?
Yep, looks like it.
Yep. Well, that's a good start.
Yeah.
I found that weedy somewhere right in here the other day. Let's find some silver. They're both hitting it pretty good. You're getting what?
93.
There, let me hit it real quick. 93 on the D2. 91, 93, 94 on the Manticore. 8 inches deep. Could be a silver dime. I was just about to walk right here too and get it and chased all my area.
Bringing up quarter range now, 96. Oh, it's silver.
Silver?
Yeah.
Got a silver!
Look at the rim.
Oh yeah. I wonder if it's a
I
quarter.
think it's a quarter.
Oh my god. Is it an old one?
No, just Washington.
Silver Washington.
41.
Nice. Let me see it. Thanks, man. See you tomorrow. Good job. Find some more. I wasn't expecting that. Look at that thing, guys. It was reading in the 90s, but it was only an inch or two deep, so I figured it wasn't going to be much good. That sucker is old. I don't know what that would be doing out here. That had to be an old house site. That's cool. Anything else in there? Let's check this area a little bit better. Cool little relic. Looks like there's some kind of fancy Eastlake pattern on there. Old door hinge. Alright, what's next? I just dug a clad dime right here. Looks like a pretty old clad dime. Now I'm getting a really faint 90 signal over 10 inches deep right here. This one was only 4 to 6 inches deep, so this may be something a little bit older. It's set over 10 inches, this deep one. Should be about 10. I'm hearing nothing in there. It's in here. Is something good? Something in there. Look at that. Huh. Well, isn't that kind of cool and a bummer at the same time? It's a silver dime that's been hacked to crap by the mower or something. I don't know, those are actually pretty clean cuts. They look like they've been sliced with snippers. Where are the rest of us in there? Go back over it with the Manticore. Let's pick up that little tiny piece of silver though. It said it was deeper than what it was, but I guess it's because the sliver of it. That's weird. I don't think I've ever found a sliver of a silver dime before. Or at least not a rosy. Huh. That's what it was. Oh, we got a sliver of a silver out here. See if we can find a hole in. '60s. That's 6 or 7 inches. Could be weedy. It's in there. That's more than 6 or 7 inches. It's almost the depth of the pin pointer. What is that? What the heck is that? Is that what I was hearing? What in the heck? I guess that's what I was hearing. It's got copper on the back of it. Maybe it had... Oh, it's too big to be a pin. This is glass. Some kind of design in the front. I don't know what the heck that thing is. Relic. That's some thick glass with a copper back. Looks old. I don't know what that would have been. Maybe it had a picture in there. Alright, on to the next. Some junk around a bit. Sounds pretty good. Right there, it's hitting the 90s. Every once in a while, 94. Identity. Jumpy VDI, but the tone is good. And it is deep. At least 8. See if I can hear it there. I heard something. I think it's in the sidewall. Or a pinpointer's false thing. Yeah, I think it was because it's in here. There's a coin. Let's see what we got. It is a Wheatie. 1927. Pretty old one. Alright, where's the silver? Got a really jumpy, iffy signal on this one. And it's kind of bouncing up into the iron on the middle zone there, going from the middle to the top, so I thought it was going to be junk or some iron, but it turned out to be a coin, so I can't make out what the heck it is. Looks like it's probably a really old weedy. I might have to wait to get a date off that one if I can. It's an old one. I don't know. Why is that always the only thing you can make out is 19? Every time I dig a weed, I say 19 and then I can't make out the rest. I don't know. It's old though. Looks like it's probably teens or 20s. Get it cleaned up when I get home and see if it's anything worth posting. This is an old weedy. On to the next. Pulled something out of here. It's like a old weedy probably. Yeah. Wrong side. Should be able to get a date out of this one. 19. Well, that's a really old one. I seen a 1. Oh no, 1941. I thought I seen a 191, but no, it's 41. 1941. Oh shit. Sorry about the wind. It really kicked up here in the last few minutes. I was about to head home. I got like a nickel sound, but it was a little bit lower than a 26. I usually don't dig them when they're lower, but out here in the front we've been finding some old coins and stuff, so I wanted to see what it was. And this popped out of the hole. Gonna have to clean it up, but some kind of little pin. That actually looks like a little bit of gold right there. Looks like a little angel maybe. Still got the back on it, the pin back. Came in just a little bit lower than a nickel. That's pretty cool. Alright, see if we can, it's getting dark. See if we can find something else real quick before we're gonna go. '92, '96. Jumpy VDI, 8 inches. Wheat penny. Got a wheatie. I just had a high 80s. Didn't think it's high enough to be silver. It's like 88. That looks like a shiny silver. Just came out about 8 inches. Let's see what it is. Looks like it's gonna be a Merc. Yep, Merc. 45 Merc. Nice looking one. Cool, we'll check this area, see if there's some more. You called it. I didn't think it was gonna be silver. It was reading low on mine.
94, 95.
It's reading in the 80s. That last one read in the 80s too. Yeah, it's another Merc. That's 2.
Good shit.
Check this pathway a little bit better here. Yeah, this was coming in the 80s again on the Manticore. The last Merc come in the high 80s. That's usually where the clad dime range is. It's an old one.
What do you got?
1920 something.
Oh yeah.
It's like 1920 even. That was only about 6 inches.
Might have been outside.
Yeah, looks like 20 even, 1920. Cool, let's find some more. What you get on that?
94.
94 on the D2? You're watching me dig that one, standing right on top of this one.
Right here. So I was off.
I'm getting 85, 6 inches. What do you think it is?
Slaw. What I hope it is seeded coin.
Seeded dime.
That's what I hope it is, but it wasn't that deep.
It's a seeded dime. Stop being a Debbie Downer.
No, I hope it is.
I heard it.
I hope it is a seeded dime. It's got the range for it. Mine.
I see a silver rim. No, I'm just kidding.
Deed cordon.
Yeah. I thought you were gonna be like, what? No way.
No. That's how the day's going.
It's deeper.
It's not deep in mine.
Well, it could be pinpointing a nail too. They're everywhere.
It wasn't that deep. It sounded really good, actually.
Should be right here. There's freaking iron everywhere. Hit it with the deep.
Let me hit your file real quick.
Yeah.
This sounded great, dude.
Is it out?
It ain't in that hole no more.
Where the hell did it go?
I'm falling off of you.
Ugh.
Right here.
Right there?
Yep, right in there. Came at 97 now.
Come on, show me something shiny. Oh, moved it.
Is that a clump of dirt? That's what we want.
Oh, look at that.
That's what we want.
The silver.
Is that Merc?
It's a freaking rosy, man. I hear this 1800 spot. 63. Out here in this 1800 spot, we're looking for seed and find a rosy. Alright. Well, that's a sign there might be still some more out here. Some older ones.
Yeah, this was dropped yesterday.
63.
What the?
Oh, got to edit that out. Alright, on to the next. 91. It was right on the surface. What's that? Holy crap, laying right on the freaking surface. They plowed it up. I have not found a stand livery in a while. Look at that. They're laying right on the surface. Actually, I want to get a picture of this in the clump with my camera. That is awesome. Come on, phone. Alright, let's see what date this thing has on it. That looks like it's in a really nice shape too. Oh no, don't tell me there's no date. Oh man. Looks like it's in really good shape not to have a date. I think I see a 6. I'll look at it under a loop when I get home, but that's an awesome freaking find. Laying right on top, man. Alright, let's see if we can find some more. They're very few and far between out here. I've only found one rosy and this. And that's about it. No Indians, no wheats. That's the only good silver. But we'll keep at it for a little longer. See if we can find some more.